Okay, so I'm going to build the program and let it compile, let the code compile, and then I'm gonna run the program. I'm just showing that like the code here, it compiles, and then once I hit play, it automatically goes to here. So the LEDs turn off, and then they'll turn back on once the blinking light stops. Okay, so we're gonna test out all the numbers. So first, we're gonna start with 0. So 0 just displays red and green. These are red, green are on, blue is off. So this is without pressing any buttons. So red and green and blue. So red, green are on, blue is off. Okay? And now we're going to go to n equals 1. So this is button free. This is button 2, and this is button 1. Okay. All right. So B free is 0, B2 is 0, and B1 is 1. Is it okay? And that means is that red and green stay on, but blue still stays off. Okay. So we're gonna start with when n equals 1. So we're gonna press B1. Okay. So you should hear a click sound. Okay, as you can see, I'm pressing on it. If I click it again. All right. All right. Now let's go to when n equals 2. So button free is 0, button 2 is 1, button 1 is 0, and then we should get red and green are on and blue is off. Okay. All right. So now we're going to try n equals free. So we're going to press button 2 and free. No, 2 and 1 at the same time. Okay? So this is button. So where I'm pointing, button free, button 2, button 1. Okay. So button 2, and button 1. Okay. And now we're going to do when n is equal to 4. So we just push button free, and then we should, red should be off, blue, green and blue should be on. Okay. So this is button free, where I'm tapping, where I'm hovering over. Okay. Oh God. See that? Green and blue are on and red is off. All right. Now we're going to test when n equals 5. We're going to test 5 now. So for 5, red is off, green and blue are on. Okay. Now we're going to press button free, and button 1 at the same time. Okay. Do this. Button free, button 1. So green and blue are on and red is off. All right. Now let's do n equals 6. So we have to press button free and button 2. And button 1 stays off. So red will be on, green will be off, and blue will be on. Okay. So this is button free, button 2. All right, red and blue are on and green is off. Now let's do the last one when n is equal to 7, okay? So we're gonna press all 3 buttons. Button free, button 2, button 1. This would result in red being turned on, green off, and blue on, okay? So, all right. All right, red is on, green is off, and blue is on. Oh, it's like at the same time. Yep, there it is. Yep, and that's all of the so we went for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the truth table. Yep. All right. Yeah, that should be about it. Thanks for watching.